is what we're fishing with today. Same old snapper rig, but we've got a dead slimy on it and they appear to be liking them. In 83 metres of water, and we're fishing at about 75 just up off the bottom. 70 metres and running into the fish now. That's our bait dropping down there, and it's landing right in that area where they're feeding. I thought we just got a hit then, but not quite. I don't think it'll take too long. Oh yeah, we just hooked a good one. Finally. Oh, might be a king actually. Oh, big snapper if it is. Oh dear. Oh, we kind of need one, I've got to say. Oh dear. Went hard for us. Oh, we're still going hard. All we don't need is a double right now. Oh dear. Oh, slack line. You got a net there. I moved around a lot today just to nothing seems to be on the chew, but it's our first drift on this area and didn't take long to get a hit. Oh. Holy moly, here we go, Apollo, it's a nice snapper. Last time lost it. Lovely. Oh, we need this one. There it is. A lovely fish. Oh boy. Sound is looking good. Oh, that one hasn't been hit. Good looking sounder in 80 metres of water. We'll go back and do another drift. Wow, it looks really good down there. An inquiry already. That's interesting. Oh, it's a small bite on the looks. Blow up for the next week, so this is our last chance. Oh yeah, that'll do. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks like a better fish. Better? Yeah, for sure. Nice one. Oh, good fish. Either that or he's foul hooked. Oh yeah, she was. Very nice. Oh, he foul hooked though. Oh dear. How are we going to get him up? See you there? Oh no! Fuck! couldn't get the camera going and that rod just went off. That's a good one. That's on a big dead slimy. Oh, looks like Schooling down there. We'll take a couple of these. We're out of fish at home. Oh, he's a good one. He's a nice fish. Oh, I thought we were in trouble today. He's decent. Wow. Went to change the battery and I didn't have the camera on it. Just turned my back for a second. Decent. Oh dear. Quite a bit of weight. Oh, heavy. Oh. I'm out of form. I feel so he just got heavier. He might be foul hooked as well. Oh my god. Holy moly. There we go. Another nice thread. Oh, he's a beauty. Oh, gave me a shower. Little bro. He's a boy. Nice. There he is. Nice blue nose on him. Oh dear. Good fish. Oh. Come on, buddy. Pretty big school of bait there. Looks like there's big snapper around the outside, underneath, and I'd say they're just hanging around the edges of that, looking for a stray. Nothing on that drift. Might do one more drift and head home before this northerly kicks up. I feel it already. Here it comes. Last drift. That's a weird fighting fish. Oh my goodness. What is that? so much like a snapper. Might be two. Yeah. Wind's coming. Excuse the grunting. Alright guys, I'm going to call it for today I think. Wind's coming up. I might actually release this guy. Wind's coming up and don't really want to get trounced. So we're going to pull a pin there. But thanks for watching and give her a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you feel like it, and we'll see you in the next one.